Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Lately I've been on TikTok and stuff. If I see a couple of nice stuff, I just order it, but I'm not going too hard. And I love incense, like a little nice smell stuff and vibration and stuff, little nice little stuff and stuff. So I went to this little stuff, bang on TikTok. I'm like, man, I have to get this thing. It's cool little stuff. I'm like, anyway, short story. I ended up ordering this thing. Bang, 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 bang. Bang. Shit coming in the mail. Bang. Just got here. Bang. Open the package. Bang. Open the boxes. By the way, is the Incense waterfall. Yeah, just ordered me two and stuff. What is good for right here? It's good for energy, protection, good luck, cleansing, focus, happiness, passion, for sleep, for relaxing, for courage. But the thing is, each word stuff I just say is good for, they give you like a little candle. I don't really use to those type of candle, but I just use it. But you see, it's this type of candle they come with. I got two pair. And hold on, take this down. That's one. And that's another one. Yeah, so I'm about to put it over there. And but the thing is, they say when you light it, there's you could, I don't know if you guys could see. You see the little hole right here? Yeah. They say you take this, you put it like that on anything, and you see the stuff. This is the type of candle I never used, and this is my first time. Like I tell you guys, I just received in the mail, and you see the hole in the back right here. The hole supposed to, when you put it on the top, this hole right here you put on top, and you light it, stand it up, you light the top, and from the bottom you're gonna go to the hole and just run it. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Let me set it up for you guys. And I don't have a match lighter, I'm gonna use a mattress, but they don't wanna go to the store get a lighter. I'm gonna make it in a way so you guys could see, because I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna fix this phone. Okay. Yeah, let me see. Right there. Right there. Right there. Alright. Alright. Right there. Okay. There's fire on the top. Alright. Alright, that's fire. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys. Let me see. I'm gonna put one back because I'm gonna use just one. And I'm gonna put this back in. Alright. By the way, the one I just used right now, it's the yellow flavor. They say go. The yellow flavor is right here. Just the yellow flavor right here. Just use this for happiness. It's plenty of flavor in it. There's purple. Use it for lavender, and the smell. Every smell got the different stuff they're good for. This one right now I'm burning right now is the yellow. It's good for happiness. And I got this piece right here. This is good for, there's the passion, the words, and this is for sleep, and this is good for protection. The green is good for focus. Okay, guys, look, check this out. I'm gonna bring the camera close. Check this out. Look how cool it is. That's so cool. And by the way, they really smell good. They all smell good. Yeah. I'm loving it. Yeah, I got my money worth. Yeah, and I also got 3 more things coming from TikTok. Ah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, she fully good working for everyone who got one too. Yeah, it's worth it. I forget how much was it, but it wasn't that expensive, guys. Like a little good stuff like this, you gotta spend money in, and yeah, that's so beautiful. I love it. It's so cool. Yeah, I got my money worth. Yeah, enjoy relaxing my pace. Where you guys do the same thing, and follow me. If you got any question, comment on the bottom of the video, and I got more video coming. All right.